Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that demonstrate the object-oriented principle using shapes in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So basically guys, I'm using code blocks as my editor in G++ for my C++ compiler. So we have here library file for input output. We will have a walkthrough. So to declare an object-oriented program in C++, we use the keyword class, and then the title is shape, and then we have here virtual double, calculate area, public. So when we say public, it can call anywhere in our program. Pure virtual function make him the class abstract. So we have here class rectangle shape, and then we have a private variable which has a data type of double width and height. So when we say private, it can be accessed only within the class, So we have here a function that will calculate the area of the rectangle. We simply multiply width by height. And then here we have also another class that is circle. We have another variable that is private radius. All of them has a data type of double. So public, and then calculate the area of the circle. We simply a built-in function for pi that is 3.1415 multiply radius twice, So class triangle public shape private, we have here base height, So we have here area multiply, base multiply by height. So here in main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. And then we pass a variable, we create an object called the rectangle, and then we create an object here. We pass the variable 8 and 2, Okay, and then we have proceed here with circle 4.2, triangle we have also here. So the triangle 0.5 base multiply by height. So we using an array, pointer, rect, and rectangle, circle, and triangle, and then we displayed here the shapes using OP in C++, area fixed to decimal places, and then shape area, area, and a program, okay, using for loop statement, and a program which informs the user that the program has been then return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close the body of our function, main function. Let us run the program so that we can see the result. Oh, wait. Okay, okay, I guess we have to change this one to 3.1415. Okay, let us run again. Okay, so we have here the area, 16, 55.42, and 14, and the program shapes using OOP in C++. Okay guys, so that's it, we were able to create a program that demonstrate the concept of object-oriented programming using shapes, in C++ programming language. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in our websites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.